welcome back to my channel. PERFECT here with another wig tutorial. This wig is from SamsBeauty.com. I'm gonna link everything in the description, so be sure to check it out. In all my videos, my descriptions are very detailed. Like, I do a good job at, you know, doing the description, so be sure to check it out. But if you're interested in seeing more details and specs about this unit, then keep watching. But this wig is from SamsBeauty.com. It is Karina in the Perfect Hairline. I got the color 2T/27. So it comes packaged like this. So, oh, this is actually really cool. So the wig comes with a elastic band, adjustable straps, and it comes with 3 combs. So 3 combs, 2 in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, and an elastic band. This is perfect for girls and guys who don't want to glue their wigs down. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this wig on our head. This color is bomb, by the way. Like I said in the previous video, if I don't spray down with Got To Be glue, because this is a synthetic wig, then I can preserve my wig longer. So this lace is so dark that I'm gonna just take it off my head and cut off the lace as close as I can. I'm gonna start off by adding some powder to the lace, because we need some powder on our lace. So this hair is like soft. The color is giving me sandy brown vibes. So I actually wouldn't glue this down, only because I would want to make this unit last. Let's talk about this hairline. With this, you're going to literally need to put baby hairs in it. Giving me like 70s vibes. So I'm going to need to go get my flat iron. So for what it's worth, I actually like the wig. I just don't like that it's calling itself the Perfect Hairline, because it's not that. It's like halfway the perfect hairline. Definitely the perfect color. Flat iron is about, it's on 270 degrees. So the hair feels really good. Super soft. Okay, so I just decided to put on a scarf so it could kind of flatten the top of my head out. But I'm gonna give you guys the specs of this wig. This wig was from SamsBeauty.com. I'm gonna link everything in the description just in case you guys wanted to check it out. Even though I have some cons on this wig, the pros outweighs the con, and I actually see myself wearing this on an everyday basis. This is the Perfect Hairline. It says fully hand-tied lace wig, 13 inches by 6 inches. It says you can do it half up, half down. Hope you guys can see. Center part, or a top knot bun. The con is that the hairline, it says Perfect Hairline. To me, this wasn't a perfect hairline. I think the Celeste wig, the wet lace collection that I just reviewed, that was like a beautiful, perfectly done hairline. Like, but this wig is super cute. Like, the color is bomb. It's like a perfect sandy brown color. Pretty. Like, I'm not even mad at it. It's just the fact that it says the perfect hairline, and to me personally, this isn't the perfect hairline. The lace is really dark. So if you're darker than me, then the hairline might be perfect for you. But since the hairline, since the lace was really dark, this is the lace on my skin complexion. Since the lace was really dark, I couldn't get a perfect hairline with it, because I had to cut, you know, all of the lace off because it didn't match with my skin complexion. Other than that, if you can get past that, then you're gonna really like this wig. The wig is super soft. I'm just really digging it. Like, I'm gonna take this scarf off, even though it's a vibe with the scarf on. This scarf is a vibe. I'm about to come back with another tutorial with this scarf on, because this scarf is a vibe. But it's super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial of me, you know, reviewing this wig. I have no complaints other than the 2 complaints that I told you guys. This hair is super soft. The length is pretty and very natural. The color is beautiful. 2T/27 is my color. So if any other wigs come in 2T/27, just go on ahead and send them to your girl. I want all of them, because this is my dream hair color. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video of this hair. If you're interested in it, I'm gonna link everything in the description. It's from SamsBeauty.com, so be sure to check them out. Let me know your thoughts on this wig in the comment sections below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. Scoochie got me feeling like a baddie.